Aloha, welcome to the KTA Kitchens. My name is Chef Leanne Wong. I'm the chef owner of Cocoa Head Cafe in Honolulu, Hawaii. And today we're making one of my favorite dessert recipes, mac nut Kaloa rum pie. This is fast, easy, sweet but not too sweet, and it's gonna become a family favorite for you. Let's start with our ingredients. First, you wanna have a pre-made frozen pie shell. Get that store-bought. We have 3/4 cup of chopped macadamia nuts, and we have about a cup of whole macadamia nuts. 2 tablespoons of butter, some granulated sugar, brown sugar, 3 eggs, vanilla extract or vanilla paste, Kaloa rum, the secret ingredient, and a little bit of flour. All right, so I've taken my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm melting it very slowly in a small pot on low heat. I'm gonna take a large bowl, start with my chopped mac nuts. Then we're gonna add our granulated sugar, dark brown sugar, our 3 eggs, a little bit of vanilla paste. Again, you can use extract if you don't have paste, Kaloa rum, and then a little bit of flour. And now I'm gonna add my melted butter. Okay. All I have to do is just whisk this up. This is such an easy recipe, which is why I love it. So in a bowl, you get all those beautiful ingredients and you whisk them together until you can see all the sugars in there, all the flour has been absorbed in the pie batter. All right, we're just gonna take it, pour this into our tart shell. Use a spatula to get all that goodness out of the bowl. I love custard pies because they're super easy to make, and personally, I love just the idea of vanilla and butter and sugar. Mac nuts themselves are really buttery also, so the Kaloa rum lends itself really well to all those flavors in the pie filling. So now we have our pie, and it has the custard in it, and now I'm just gonna take my whole mac nuts. And all you need to do is sprinkle them in an even layer in the pie. This is such a great pie you can make with your family. Perfect to do ahead of time. This is a great room temperature pie. So I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I'm just gonna take my pie shell and put it on a baking tray, and we're gonna go into our oven for about 40 minutes to 50 minutes. You have to kind of keep an eye on your pie. Every oven's a little bit different. So for me, I have 350. I'm gonna check it after 40 minutes. Your pie is done when the crust is a nice golden brown and the top has browned nicely. It's gonna puff up a little bit. Take it out of the oven and allow it to rest at room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours. You wanna let the custard cool and set before you cut into it. And this is what your pie will look like. So this is the best part, is actually just testing the pie. I can smell that sort of butter and sugar. It almost makes this like caramel custard inside the pie shell. Look at that. This is beautiful. I can see how the custard has baked through. We have a nice layer of custard on the bottom, all these crunchy mac nuts on top. And the perfect foil to go with your mac nut pie, just a little fresh whipped cream. Oh, this is the moment I've been waiting for. I love this pie. Great drink to go with it. I mean, at the end of your meal, just a little Kaloa rum and some coffee with a little bit of whipped cream on top. You can do it either iced or hot. Delicious. Woo! Disco time. This is where the magic happens. Mmm. So good. This is so delicious. I can taste the beautiful buttery crunchiness of the mac nuts, all that vanilla, the sweetness of the sugar. I get a little kick from the Kaloa rum. This is fantastic. Of course, it pairs really well with the Kaloa rum and coffee. Thank you guys for joining us here in the KTA Kitchens. For this recipe and more, visit www.ktasuperstores.com/recipes. My name is Leanne Wong, and I'll see you next time. Aloha!